Many Huawei users experience data loss, especially contacts, due to accidental deletion, OS updates, or factory resets. It's crucial to quickly recover lost contacts to reconnect with family, friends, and colleagues. In this guide, we'll cover 5 simple ways on how to recover lost contacts on Huawei. Part 1. What to do first if you lost contacts on Huawei phone. 1. Ensure your Huawei phone displays all the contacts. Open your contacts list. Tap the menu. Press Settings Contacts. Open the Contacts to Display dialog. Select All Contacts to verify if some Huawei contacts are hidden. 2. See if the contacts are stored on your SIM card. After an update or reboot, it may take a few minutes for SIM contacts to load. If you imported the cards, duplicates may merge automatically. Try removing and reinserting the SIM, and for dual SIM phones, ensure contacts are saved to the active SIM. 3. Go to Settings Default Apps and set Huawei's dialer or contacts as default. 4. Go to Settings App Permissions Contacts and disable access for third-party apps. 5. Delete data on the Contacts app and try again. If an error occurs while loading contacts, go to Settings Apps Contacts. Storage Clear data. Remember to back up your phone if you recover the lost contacts. If not, keep reading for 3 recovery methods. Part 2. How to get disappeared contacts on Huawei from recently deleted. Go to Settings, search Organize Contacts, tap Recently Deleted. If available, press and hold Contacts, tap Redo. If unavailable, recovery isn't supported. Part 3. How to retrieve Huawei missing contacts from Huawei Backup. Open the Backup app, tap Restore, select Backup Location, tap Next. Enter password if needed, choose Contacts, tap Start Restoration. Then check the Contacts app for restored data. Part 4. How to restore all my contacts back via Huawei Cloud. Go to cloud.huawei.com and sign in. Tap Recently Deleted, select Contacts, and tap Redo. Check the Contacts app for restored entries, then enable Contact Sync in Huawei Cloud to sync them to your phone. Part 5. How to recover deleted contacts from Huawei via Google Backup. Go to Settings, Accounts, add or select your Google account. Turn on Sync Contacts, then check the Contacts app for recovered entries. Part 6. How to recover lost contacts on Huawei without backup. If the accidental deletion isn't the culprit for Huawei contacts missing, or you have no backup before losing them, it is indispensable to have a recovery software like Mobican Doctor for Android. Step 1. Link Huawei to a PC via USB cable and start the tool on this computer. To have your phone recognized by the utility, you may need to toggle on USB debugging on Huawei. Then you are all set. Step 2. Choose Contacts from the primary screen and click Next. Subsequently, the program will run a thorough scan on your device. Soon, your phone's contacts will turn up on the right panel. Step 3. Your deleted or lost contacts will be marked as red color by the program. Now preview and choose the ones you want before clicking Recover to save your desired contacts on your computer. Hope these tips help you get your lost contacts back.